Hi guys, I wanted to shoot you this quick video to show you how I'm doing my forex trading platform. Now with this platform, there's two ways you can get an income. You can recruit people, or of course there's a passive side. Now the passive side comes from the pros trading for you, but I wanted to show you how I'm getting on and how much I've made. I've been in this just over 2 weeks now, and if you look here, I've got $1,114 in that 2 and a bit week period. And I want to show you all the times of the payments that I received. When I put in a withdrawal, I've got another $118 here to withdraw. So let's go and have a look at my statement. So here I am on my statements. You can see I've got this money at the top here ready to withdraw. But what I want to do is I want to go back to when I started. Okay, go on the last page. So I'm on the very last page. And you'll see here the dates. Okay, on the left here's the 11th of the 10th, the 12th of the 10th, and so on. Okay, so if you look here, it's got the trading pool. So this is where I've earned from trading. So I've got $5.32. Then I got from recruiting somebody. So I've earned $45 there. This one is a bonus, a uni-level bonus, $4.55 there. From the trading pool, look at that, $44.38, okay? So going to the next screen, and coming down again, you'll see the dates here, the 18th of the 10th all the way up to the 21st of the 10th. You'll see I got a commission from recruiting somebody, another commission from recruiting somebody. I did a withdrawal there. So that was where I withdrew $249. That was the very first withdrawal I did. Another $45 there, another $45 there, 45, 75, 45, coming to the first screen, which is now running from the 23rd of the 10th up to the 31st of the 10th. And obviously we're in the 1st of November at the time of making this video. So I've got a $30 there. Look at that from the trading pool, $84, $48, $45, $45, $45, coming up $150. This is all coming in. These are all credits. A withdrawal there of $492, and then coming up again is $84.70, and then a $33 there. As you can see, these are the credits here, and then this one is when I've withdrawn. So let's just go back and look at the withdrawal. So there's one there. I'll get the calculator. So since being in this is 492.28, okay? Plus, let's go to the next screen. And on here, I've got two withdrawals. So let's get the calculator again. So I've got 255 point plus and 249.20 equals, so $996.48 in just over 2 weeks that I've withdrawn out. So it's brilliant. Absolutely love it. And it's forex trading. They do the trading for you. And the great thing as well, they've also got an academy where you can learn to trade yourself. Now when you've done all the learning, they will always trade for you. But you can also, if you want, do some trades yourself. Personally, I'm not going to bother, but it's good to do the learning because it's great for the knowledge. You know, it's good for the knowledge. But there you go. That's what I've withdrawn out from here. So there's what I've withdrawn, $996.48. I've got another $118 to withdraw. Now, I won't withdraw that until next week. May do that in the middle of the week or towards the end of the week. I don't know. Not that worried about it. But you can see that this system is working. Now, if you're interested in forex trading, where the pros do all the trading for you, so you don't have to, you just pick up the profits, then leave me a comment below this video if you're watching it on YouTube or Facebook. If you're watching it on my blog, click the button, get started. This is a great way to have a passive income, and if you're a person like myself that does recruiting as well, you can earn even more money by inviting other people into the business. It's a great, it suits everybody really. It suits the people that just want the passive, and it suits people that want to recruit as well. So it's a win-win situation, and I think it's amazing, and I'll look forward to seeing your comments below the video, or if not, click that button and I'll see you in the next video. You have an amazing day. Bye now.